Really good.
And then they wash your hand.
I already wash it.
And you see it. It tastes good. I didn't wash my hand.
Oh,
I just went poo.
Guys, ito yung mga kasama ko guys. Mga spokesing door.
I just want to try using the hand.
Nakakain na sila ng bread ko, ng banana cake ko. Nag-English na sila.
this is banana cake.
Come, try this one. So yummy.
I don't know it.
This is banana.
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 Banana with banana. Banana and bread.
Nakakain lang sila ng banana cake ko. Nag-English na sila.
Maka what the heck?
What is that black? That's part of the banana. Part of banana.
Yeah.
I thought it's just like the hair of it. Oh,
That's
your
a
cousin.
vein.
Yeah?
That's a vein.
A vein. You know that? I know. I don't know.
It's not a vein. It's an yeah. It's
No, it's not a vein. It's a leech.
banana. You know. Oh yucky.
Kaya ako namin kinain dito. Nakayakit pa ubus na nga.
Because mama yucky. Let's not finish all because the kids will like this one tomorrow.
Can I just eat one more?
Nakakapag-English pala itong banana. Nakakaano ka na to? Nakaka-English. One only, okay?
Your banana make me very, very fluent in English. I can speak it now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where you from?
This is my first time.
Ngayon, nag-ano na sila. Where you from na? Kanina pa sila nag-uusap. Umabot na naman sila.
I'm from Nigeria.
Tiger daw, tiger.
I smell your.
What is your name?
My name is.
Don't turn your back. I'm still talking. Come.
Just wait for me. Because I cannot talk very well. My mouth is full of banana cake.
You want coffee?
I don't like it.
I have so many coffee.
Wow, you're so rich.
What? You want water?
Water?
Oh, okay. You want water, auntie? Oh, God.
Mm.
Moy, moy.
Kiss auntie.
They're very yummy bread.
Kiss auntie. Oh,
Oh my God. Me also, me also, me also, me also. Auntie also. Auntie also, auntie also, auntie also. Kiss auntie dyan lagi. Thank you.
I'm from Nigeria, you know?
What is it called? The bread
This is very long. I think it's long bread.
Yung alam mo ba na English? Really?
Parang ako lang. Parang ako lang.
Yung pang ano, yung parang nandang ka lang.
Yung nagsasalita ka na nga. Really lang.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, naman English.
Ako sa hindi mo.
Oo, di ba?
At least may response ka. May communication. You know? Parang matter with you. Pag-uusap ko sa lalaki. Yes.
Kahit ako Yes sir, yes. Yes.
Wala na. Lalo na kung may ibang ano po takbo sa isip. May ibang iniisip sa
Sabay nakita na kayo sa sala dito. Wala nang sala ng pamintay-intay ka na sa'yo. Hinawa na natigas na ng sala.
Mag-English na, mag-English na. Sabi mo. Yung
Yes.
Okay, sabi.
kayo ng friend.
Hmm.
Di ba? Oh, what's that? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? Oh, lemon.
Just a plain water.
Oh.
But I want to put some honey if I like it.
Yeah, we have.
Do you have one? Can you give me just a little bit?
Let's get it.
No, I cannot. I don't know there.
Just get it.
Where?
There.
Just tell me.
Over there. Just open the...
Over there!
Over inside. Intindihan mo mga to?
Say it po sa...
Intindihan mo mga to?
Yeah, it's very
ikaw naman, ikaw naman, ikaw naman.
We talk in English. It's very,
Yes.
very well. Where are you from?
Oh, I forgot.
Yung lalong ba? Where are you from?
Yes.
Marinig tayo dito. Marinig tayo dito.
Where are you from? Yes.
Sabi niya rin na mga baliw na.
Honey. Let me check first. Oh, because I don't want to carry.
Oh,
It's wonderful Thailand.
come on.
What is Thailand? It's 29050.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. That's why I can sell this it, huh? It's
Edible.
yeah.
One drop only.
Oh, there's one drop here. Yes, so don't do it because the honey will go there. No. Huh? Take a look.
You don't attack like that.
I cannot taste the sweet.
Maybe you just do this.
If I just, because it's just one drop. I still can really just taste only the water. There's no other than taste. I just
Maybe you
drink
want
the very,
water.
very hot water. I just know it's very, very good to your health.
Don't be shy.
Honey is very healthy also. Not only the water. Not only the water. Yeah. Because you know what? Honey can make help your immune system to
Don't look at this. Okay, I'm not. It was expensive.
expensive. Oh my goodness.
Ibig sabihin yan, wag mo anan kasi mahal.
My goodness. It's okay. Next time I'll just buy my own honey. Yeah. I can buy it also. I like. If I would do it.
Bebe.
Can you lend me money?
Huh?
Can you lend me money?
Yeah. How much?
Ha?
Okay. Let me think. 1 million.
I think
1 million of resibo.
Should be a 7 million pesos.
yeah. I have so many receipts in my room.
Guys, tulungan niyo ako guys. Nag-nosebleed ako. Nag-nosebleed ako dito. Hindi ko sila masabayan.
Sabi ni ate, sabi ni Giselle, receipt? No, sobrang malinis lang niya.
Where's my honey? Where's my honey? Oh, you did it.
I'm so shy because you said that it's very expensive. And I think one drop is not enough. I just want
Let me check.
no, maybe next time I'll just bring my own honey here. But I want to bring honey.
Have you honey? Let me check. Because I know that your face is very, very much. Very much. Milkweed.
Yeah.
Oh, that is calm. That's not good. I'm telling you. I'm warning you again. I'm warning you again. That's not good. I already ate that. I'm telling you.
Do you think that for me?
What it is because of the different.
Do you think it's after I drink that I'm gonna look good?
Yeah. What is that detox?
Yung alam mo, para masubrahan ng milk.
Try it.
One drop.
No.
Because just get it. She already told me that it's not
No. I'm telling you No, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Anong ginagawa nila? Lahat ba sila?
Busy din sila.
They're also busy.
Ah, it's yummy, Jessa. It's good.
Wow.
Oh, really?
Really? Well, it's like na naging matigas na. Really?
Really?
Sabi niya nangyari na siya. Really?
Yung isa naman, super slang. Yung isa, super slang.
Yes, yes. Lucy. Lucy na ka na
Visit yung sinabi ko.
Zip.
Visit. Because don't understand. I told you visit, not visit.
Cheers, Maury. Yun, Maury. Yung ano, yung sabi ko, Mare naging Mary na. Sasabihin ko sa Islam. Yung basta Mare naging Mary. Last year's Mary. Oh my God.
May matututin. Just get it. May mas kami. Hindi ko na nalatakot.
Yeah, because it's like the huh? No, not without honey. Not only the honey.
Yeah, without honey.
Oh.
I'm telling you, I already taste that.
Yeah, but before I also drink this. It's a bananas.
No. You're just sometimes you're a scammer. She's just a bad taste. She told me what is yummy. It's not. Yeah, because we're not different. Yeah. We're not different. we are not the same. We are the same. We got different taste, right?
Oh my goodness, who is the medicine? I'm so sorry, we are so busy. We are very, very busy. I think this is always nice. Yeah, we're talking to each other about our taste.
Nonsense.
Ay, ate, yung bili ka daw pala ng ano, yung, alam mo yung pineapple na pabilog, yung maliliit, para freeze dyan, oh.
So, yun, di ba? Ang dami na mag-gatang ito.
Kasi nga sa school, mahal dun yung, alam mo yung isang ganun lang, yung ilagay sa fridge, yung fridge.
Di ba baikat kasi?
Yun yung stock nila.
Kasi sa school, bumibili sila ng isang slice nun. Alam mo yung maliliit na ganun? Yung pabilog siya?
Isang bilog lang.
15 yun.
Aspen.
Oo. 15 or 18 yun. Mahal nga, sabi ko. Kasi i-freeze lang niya eh. Galang sa yung can na maliit siya. Tapos i-freeze lang siya. Yun lang, mahal. Sabi ko, binili lang kasi mahal. Sobrang mahal.
Gusto na ito.
Kahit isa lang. Para ilagay na lang sa fridge pag ano. Kasi minsan naghahanap sila.
Nabili na yung pineapple dyan eh. Slice na pangalan. Wala kasi kung iba makita ng ano.
Anong pineapple? Yung juice naman?
Hindi, pineapple fruits talaga.
Meron ba?
Open mo.
Pwede yun. I-freeze natin. Meron ba?
From Philippines yan.
Ano?
Tell me
French.
apple.
Ilagay ba dito o dyan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Baka,
Ito nakita ko nga.
uy,
Dyan na lang para matuyo. Ay, maano?
mahinog.
Para sa noodles.
Tapos papudutin lang.
Ay, okay na kaya yan? Okay na kaya yan?
Parang sa ilalim ano na siya eh.
Kasi medyo maasim-asim pa yung pag green-green.
Alasas ko mo.
Hintayin mo lang natin mag-yellow siya.
Mag-yellow siya bago siya hiwain, di ba?
O wag na lang. Nandiyan, meron pa lang eh. Tapos mag-slice lang kayo para ilagay sa fridge. Tutuyo. Yung parang magtikas siya. Yun yung binibili na lang sa school lang mahal.
Naka-freeze din?
Ganun din yung isang can nga lang na ganito. Ano yung
Oo, imagine ko rin.
basta yung bibili rin ako nung ano, pero 3 lang ang laman nun.
Harap na.
Kabilaan naman na live ko.
Oo.
Ang sarap nga niya.
Masarap na.
Oo,
Kasi butter eh. Butter tapos may sugar.
ang sarap nga.
Yan ako, black hello daw. Hello.
Hello. Yan, bigay natin kay babae.
Wala sa atin.
May bleach, may ano na? Blue. Yung blue.
Blue? Meron pa?
Meron pa?
Yan ba, isang design ba? Para maganda ko nagkasanda ko sa puso yan.
Best na color.
Yun nga, nilista ko.
Ay, alam mo, doon na lang kayo bibili sa dispensary ng ano, varnish.
Ay, baka sa Japan, nakablang na yung nag-aakay sila.
Ba?
Ito lang ang kape yung...
Isa na lang dito.
May varnish. Kasi yung, alam mo yung dalawa,
Nag-sale ngayon, di ba? Hindi ka ba?
Ay, makapakanta.
Nag-sale. Hindi naka-sale. Maraming sale.
Kumanta kami, nakapag-English kami.
Yung action ko, malaki. 14 lang.
hindi sa bakin siya.
Banana cake to. Banana cake natin.
Sobrang sarap ng ginawa
Sobrang
natin.
sarap.
Napa-English kami. Walang ibang English.
Hindi sa park shop yun. Mura lang sa dispensary. Alam mo yung varnish na yun na
Ate Chona Wendy.
20 plus ba yun? Yung binibili natin?
Just ako lang sa...
Doon, 38 na yung tatlo. May refill siya, oo.
Kinuha
Naman
ko
isa.
sana.
Body parts.
Kaya ako, ang
Philippine money.
mabigat ko yung dala ko. Nagpunta ko ng market.
70 something.
Wala na bang varnish dyan?
70 pa.
Pero okay yun pang ano, dito sa neck.
No.
Ay,
Diba?
By this time, 7 point something. Eh? I think it was 7.1 or 7.1.
Let's go to the gym.
Bumang waka pang gym.
Gusto ko lang pumaya.
Papayat lang pala ang gusto.
Gusto ko na tayo pumaya.
Anong na oras na ako mag-exercise?
Try ko lang ang ano.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ano spoons of rice na lang.
Huwag nga, natin mo na si ate. Hindi na, bukas na. Ako po naman kami magkikita.
Aba niya, oras si flight na.
Alas 12 ng gabi.
Ay, bang na rin kakuluhan ka.
Ano oras pa na yung
Grabe yung ano ko ba?
Nakita ko dito ito naman.
Sino yung mga yan?
Makakuha ng 5 hours. Basta agad hindi pa rin na sa motor, parang hindi na.
Parang gulat talaga itong CR na ko ay lagi na lang ang nakakita ng ganyan.
Parang walang okay, oy.
Ay, just lang lang yun. Wala na yung protex yun. May mali talaga ito. May ano talaga ito. Mystery itong CR na to.
Ano sa lang mystery?
Pagpuwasok ko dito, hindi na ito pasok yung ano. Kasi hassle ako ito ka. Hassle mo. Hassle.
Ano yung tiger na pinatay? Sino yun? Saan yun mapapanood?
Tiger? Bakit tiger?
Kasi may napost dito, I Justice for Tiger.
Hello?
Saan kaya yun mapapanood?
Tiger, di ba? Parang mali.
Dyan o. Tignan mo yung mga building. Dito sa Myanmar ata to eh. Ay, yun na yung building na nag-collapse.
Ano ba kasi?
Thailand.
Sa Thailand nga yun, be. Hindi nga Bangkok. Ano ka ba?
Thailand din yun. Middle ng center ng ano yun.
Oo nga, sabi mo nga sa kanya Thailand. Sabi niya Bangkok daw.
Bangkok, Thailand nga yun. Isa lang yun.
Ano ba, babe?
Sa ano pala talaga center.
Ang lakas, 7.7. Kasi mga Myanmar, ganun na din eh. Asan yung tiger? Gusto ko mapanood yun. Ito, sabi niya.
Wala tayong magagawa kung may sila ng magdalo natin.
Naranasan ko yung lindol, ha? Buntis ako ngayon.
May reason kung bakit nangyayari na ngayon.
malasa yung noo ko. Saya-saya pag ganyan, eh, no?
Nasaan yung tiger na yun?
Nag-effort sila, oh. Dami na kaya niyan, o baka naman, ano ko lang ito, nag-effort. Oh, di ba? Ang cute. Sas.
Ako nagkamali pa yan. Part dapat yan.
Huh?
Part dapat yan. Ako nagkamali. Tapos walang i-explain ko.
Joanna? Baka tayo sa alam mo ba, tayo mga babae ang magaling mag-mature. Kaya sa kanila. Kailan yan?
Di ba ang mamumati niya nakita mo?
Sino?
Sino ba kasi yung uncle na yan?
Sino?
Dito ko pa ni Lolo. Inumay mo na pinagpasa. Pinagpasa pa yun.
Sino? Ay, maganda.
Ano rin?
Isa ba dito?
Uy, nali ko na lang